The National Eisteddfod of Wales Open Exhibition is one of the highlights of the visual arts calendar in Wales. For 1 week of the year, the exhibition at y Lle Celf reflects what artists and makers have accomplished at a given time and celebrates excellence, innovation, vision and commitment in contemporary art and crafts. At the Cardiff 2018 National Eisteddfod, y Lle Celf's open exhibition will be held at the main Centre for Democracy in Wales, in the Senedd. As is customary, a panel of specialists will select the exhibition and decide on the awards. The panel changes from year to year. And to the extent that any can be, it is maybe the most democratic of selection processes. The three selectors at Cardiff will be the curator and artistic director Mark Rees, director and curator of Artist Mundi Karen McKinnon, and Ingrid Murphy of the Cardiff School of Art and Design. Also, y Lle Celf has a team of experienced technicians who endeavour every year to display the selected artwork, be it large or small, at its best. 2 significant awards will be offered to honour excellence by artists and makers: the Gold Medal for Fine Art and the Gold Medal for Craft and Design, the only national accolades awarded to Wales' artists and makers. The Young Artist Scholarship will also be offered to foster new talent. Submissions in all media, both fine and applied art, are welcome, including the moving image and performance. And who is eligible to participate in the open exhibition? Well, with the aim of being as inclusive as possible, the exhibition is open to any person born in Wales, or with one of their parents born in Wales, or any person resident or working in Wales for the 3 years prior to the 31st of August 2018, or any person able to speak or write the Welsh language. And the procedure? To begin with, it's a matter of presenting JPEG images on USB or disk, or by now you may also apply online. And the all-important closing date? The 14th of February, St. Valentine's Day. Be imaginative, be ambitious, that's the message. The space at the Senedd offers an unique opportunity to display the best visual arts to Wales and the world.